We're doing Tarsha's birthday party.
Oh my goodness.
You know I keep a can. Ain't no sense of you acting like that. You know how I do what I do.
Oh my goodness.
I gotta promote what I do. This is Shorty's Pit Beef and Ribs, y'all. I'm back in business. See me smoking.
We're gonna be doing the ice cream and snowballs.
You know I'm open. You gonna be doing ice cream?
Yeah, next to you.
Oh, then we gonna be good as gold, dog. You might as well get used to me. For real, for real. I ain't a hard person to get along with, but business, you know what I'm saying?
That venue you put together was awesome.
All right, we're doing a pool party. This gonna be the man doing the snowballs. Tell him who you are.
Miles Crump.
Speak up, man. Put some bass in your voice. Act like this a rap video.
Miles Crump.
Miles Crump. He gonna be doing the snowballs and soft serve ice cream. This young man's birthday. Don't act like you shy now.
Anthony Miller.
Speak up.
Anthony Miller.
Anthony Miller. That's your birthday, right? Got spank you. Say, I ain't getting spanked. I don't get that stuff. Yeah, you gonna be working at the snowball stand. You can't eat all the profits, dog. We can't have you there eating up everything. We don't need no taste testers. And you can't bring more than 2 friends at a time. They can't spend all day up there neither. We not babysitting. We working. All right, we get ready to do a pool party and a birthday party for the young gentleman. And y'all see what we do. We make something out of nothing. I'll holler at you.